What? Oh.
I was talking.
Okay, I got you. All right. Go.
We've had a fantastic year here at Jolly Roger Airsoft, and today is the day where we celebrate all those great moments and events and other things put together in a video form, edited together with a bunch of clips and put to music that soothes the ears and the eyes. So, without further ado, I'm just going to jump right in. This is the Jolly Roger Airsoft Holiday Special. That's cool. We had a bunch of great loadouts this year, and all of them were unique in their own special ways. Well, none of them matched the superb quality of mine. Some were pretty close, and some were downright creative.
Have our other guys' loadouts too. Other than that, you're probably gonna wear a hydration carrier. Think that you could find a military jacket in the apocalypse.
That kind of Pringles Club or something.
But it is apocalyptic, and it is a very notable apocalyptic figure. We're exploring the genre of post-apocalyptic fiction.
I have a sling that I've made out of belt.
Heavyweight. It's got the train stock where the battery goes.
And literally sewed in and stapled and duct taped a shoulder pad to it.
This combat. I got extra bullets on the side of it just in case you need to load it into my gun.
Wait. Yeah.
We had a lot of great operations this year, too. It was a very interesting year for those events. We had everything from apocalypse to tribal warfare to rebellion. It was just a very unique experience this year, and we had a lot of great moments from those trips.
I got a good MRE.
Another one?
Pretzels with cheddar, chocolate sports bar.
Does sound nice. Of course, what would we be doing if we forgot all of the quality and intelligent conversation that we had here at Jolly Roger Airsoft? It's quite mind-blowing.
Fashion, man.
Well, no, you got it. You're just a little low.
Yeah, he's going one of the
You get the video done yet?
It was where I was sleeping, so I set the alarm as not
Oh yeah. Partially wet ramen. What, that exchange? Oh, this is so bad. Money.
I think we all should move on to the 7th.
Sounds scary.
I guess I'm recording now.
That's good. So thank you for watching our holiday special this year, and really thank you for watching Jolly Roger Airsoft. It's been an amazing year for us here. We've improved so much, even in just the last year. I've learned a lot, and I can't wait to keep going into the 2014. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for being around. Thanks for supporting us and making these fun videos. We all love making these videos and having a good time here. So we got a lot of cool stuff coming up soon. New operations, new other things that we're going to be doing, video series, all that stuff, and maybe something a little special for 1,000 subs, winky face. So yeah, stay tuned for all that. We'll get to that in the new year.
Please elaborate, Joe.
So for 2013, this is Noble signing off. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.